Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to create another Instagram account. So first, you need to start the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android device. Go to your profile page by tapping the account button in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap the three horizontal lines or the hamburger menu in the top right. And then tap Settings in the menu that opens. Now, tap Add Accounts. And then tap Create New Account. Type the username you want to use for this new account. And tap Next. Since you already have an existing Instagram account, you now have two options. The first one is you can automatically log in using an existing account. This is convenient, but if you choose this option, anyone with access to the first account can automatically get access to this new one as well. And the second, you can tap Add Password instead to create a new and unique password for the account. This is less convenient, but it's more secure because the account won't be automatically connected to any other accounts. And then tap on Continue. On the following page, you'll have the option to connect to Facebook and find contacts on Instagram. You can skip these steps if you prefer. And last, complete the setup by adding a profile photo. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.